Hi there everybody, on today's video I have this Honda CRV. This is a 2005. Okay, so I'm gonna be changing the air filter, and the air filter is located on the right hand side of the engine when you're looking at it from this side. And it's basically under this cover. So we have a few Phillips screws to undo. Got one here. And another one just up there. Right. Those little screws are also a size 8 mil, so we could use the ratchet if need be. I'm just gonna use it there. And there's another one just up here. Try to get a view there. And there is one more on the end, just here. Okay, now we've loosened all of those. This will be loose. So the cover is now quite flexible there, easy to move. But so we're gonna undo these Phillips here as well. We can take this hose out. And I'm also going to just undo this clamp here. So we can remove all this, and that's where the filter is. Now this filter I can see is very clean, though I'm waiting for one to change. So for the purpose of the video I'm just gonna refit this. So you would get your new filter, fit it in there, sit it there. This circle here will sit on top of the other end. So all we need to do is fit that hose back in there, and the intake hose here goes in there. Make sure it sits nicely. That little mark there has to fit in that square there. Get the clamp back in. You can tighten this. And then we can tighten the other screws. So that's 5 of them, and that's it. So I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.